Ever find yourself drowning in a sea of crumpled receipts? You know the drill, right? That frantic end-of-month scramble, trying to decipher faded ink and match those tiny slips of paper to your bank statements? It's a universal pain, whether you're a solopreneur, a small business owner, or part of a larger team. But what if I told you there's a way to ditch the shoebox and actually enjoy expense tracking? That's where Expensify comes in. Now, you might have heard the name, but how does it actually work with receipts? Let's break it down, ditching the jargon and focusing on the real-world benefits. First off, imagine snapping a picture of a receipt and that's it. Yes, really. Expensify's SmartScan technology automatically extracts the key information: merchant, date, amount, even the currency. It's like having a digital assistant that instantly translates those pesky paper slips into usable data. This isn't just about convenience, it's about reclaiming your time. Think of all those hours you'd normally waste manually entering data. But what if you have digital receipts? No problem. Expensify integrates seamlessly with email and other platforms, so you can forward those digital receipts directly into the app. They're automatically processed, just like the physical ones. This unified approach means you have all your expenses in one place, regardless of the format. Now, let's talk about reporting. Expensify doesn't just store your receipts, it turns them into insightful reports. You can categorize expenses, generate detailed summaries, and even create custom reports based on your specific needs. This is crucial for budgeting, forecasting, and understanding where your money is going. Plus, these reports are easily shareable, making collaboration with your team or accountant a breeze. For those who travel for work, Expensify's GPS tracking feature is a game changer. It automatically records mileage, calculating reimbursements based on your company's policy or the IRS standard rate. This eliminates manual mileage logs and ensures accurate reimbursement. And what about those corporate card transactions? Expensify seamlessly integrates with your credit card, automatically matching transactions with corresponding receipts. This eliminates the need for manual reconciliation, reducing errors and saving even more time. Beyond the basic features, Expensify offers advanced functionalities like automated approvals and policy enforcement. You can set up custom approval workflows, ensuring that expenses are reviewed and approved according to your company's guidelines. This helps prevent fraud and ensures compliance. Expensify also integrates with a wide range of accounting software, including QuickBooks, Xero, and NetSuite. This means your expense data can be seamlessly transferred to your accounting system, eliminating the need for manual data entry and ensuring accurate financial records. In essence, Expensify transforms the tedious task of expense management into a streamlined and efficient process. It eliminates the paper clutter, automates data entry, and provides insightful reports that empower you to make informed financial decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.